Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. It's Mary. So today I'm going to be making a SHEIN haul. It's right here. I'm bending down because I have kind of like a ghetto setup right now. I'm at my sister's house. I'm dog sitting her dog, and yeah, her tripod thingy is meant for, it's meant for a phone, but yeah. And yeah, I have to bend down because then the tripod, if I put the thing too high, then when I'm trying on the outfits, I feel like you guys aren't going to be able to see. So bear with me, I'm just testing things out right now. So this is a little weird. I'm gonna get started and start showing you guys the outfits that I got. So I got I believe it's 5 things. Yeah, let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, okay. I got 6 things. Here they are. So I'm gonna start with the white one. It's looking a little see-through, honey. I can already tell this is gonna be see-through, but let me put it on for you guys. All right. Okay, this is outfit number 1. I'm just gonna have to hide my boobs. Okay, so, all right, so outfit number 1. What do you guys think? All right, this is outfit number 2. I've seen so many people with this particular outfit. I wanted to try it. So. Girl. Super cute. Oh, I really like this one. The material is really nice in this green one. It's not see-through. So super cute. Yes. Yeah, I like the little designs. This is cute. I love the color that I picked. This is also another popular outfit right now that I see a lot on Instagram. This is my favorite one because this is just, I think it's also the color that I picked. It's giving me super classy vibes. And it has, is it on both sides? Oh, there's only a slit. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a slit on the leg part. Wow. Wow. This is beautiful. Qué lindo. And this one has 2 slits. Compared to the tan one that I showed you guys, this one has 2 slits. But this one isn't as tight, I feel like, as the other one. It's a little looser. Oh my god. And this looks so good on my skin tone. This is basically the same dress as the tan one, my favorite one of my favorites, but in a very colorful, like summer vacay vibes. And my boobs look pretty decent. Looking good, honey. I think this is my favorite. Let me back up a little bit. All right, guys, that's all the pieces that I got. This is my first haul that I've done in like years. Bear with me. This is not going to be my permanent spot to do my hauls in. And yeah, I don't know if I did a good job, but as long as you guys could see the outfits, that's all that matters. And if you guys have any questions on the quality or anything, the only one that I didn't like was this one. I feel like this white one is gonna have to be used as like a cover-up because it's see-through. It's see-through. So I'm sure the other colors, like you could, I feel like with the other colors you might be able to get away with wearing it without anything underneath. But I can't be out here like that. I can't do that. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much. Sorry guys, I'm like trying my best here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys. Oh, let me know what haul you guys want to see next, because I think that's what I'm going to stick to right now. So you guys can request shoe haul. Maybe there's like a shoe company that you guys want me to try out, because I need to buy more shoes, and any other online stores that you guys want me to check out and stuff. That's it. Leave a comment down below. Let me know which one is your favorite.